Direct and indirect speech. When we quote the actual words used by a speaker, it is called the direct speech. When the meaning of a speech is conveyed in the reporter's words, it is called the indirect speech. Example: Rohan said, I learn my lesson at night. Direct speech. Rohan said that he learnt his lesson at night. Indirect speech. Rajni said, my work is still incomplete. Direct speech. Rajni said that her work was still incomplete. Indirect speech. Parvez said, I am getting late for my school. Direct speech. Parvez said that he was getting late for his school. Indirect speech. My grandmother said, I will tell you the story tomorrow. Direct speech. My grandmother said that she would tell the story the next day. Indirect speech. The sentence of the direct speech has two parts. Reporting speech, reported speech. Johnny said, I will play cricket in the evening. Hamid said to Maria, I am in a hurry. I can't wait for you. Ritu said, I have got a job in private sector. Said or say in the reporting speech is called the reporting verb. Certain changes are made while transforming a direct speech into an indirect speech. 1. The reporting speech is separated by a comma, and the sentence of the reported speech is separated by inverted commas. But when we change a direct speech to an indirect speech, we remove the comma and the inverted commas and join the two parts with that or any other suitable conjunction according to the type of sentence. Example: Ritu said, she is unwell. Direct speech. Ritu said that she was unwell. Indirect speech. 2. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense such as tell or tells, say or says. Will say ya shall say, the verb in the reported speech remains unchanged. Example: My mother says, you are a good girl. My mother says that, I am a good girl. 3. Tenses, pronouns, possessives, adjectives and adverbs of time and place also undergo certain changes according to the tense of the narration. Rules for the change of the verbs, tense. 1. Tense of the reporting verb never changes. 2. The reporting verb, said or said to, is changed into told, asked, requested, ordered or exclaimed. 3. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of reporting speech is changed in this way. Ist form of the verb is changed into ein form. Example: Times Anu said, I am happy. Direct speech. Anu said that she was happy. Indirect speech. If the verb in the reported speech is in the past tense, we change it to past perfect tense. Example: Times Shekhar said, I ate my dinner at 7 p.m. Direct speech. Shekhar said that he had eaten his dinner at 7 p.m. Indirect speech. 4. If there is a description of universal truth, habit, fact or historical truth in the reported speech, there is no change in its tense while changing it into indirect speech. Example: Arun said, I go to school every day. Arun said that he goes to school every day. Note: Arun said that he went to school every day. 5. Auxiliaries and present form of the verbs are changed into past. A. Are changes to were. Example: Times the people said, we are satisfied with the government. The people said that they were satisfied with the government. B. Is and am changes to was. Example: The little boy said, I am hungry. The little boy said that he was hungry. My brother said, my team is the best. My brother said that his team was the best. C. Do and does changes to did. Example: The police said, the thief does not deserve mercy. The police said that the thief did not deserve mercy. The referee said the players do not need a break. The referee said that the players did not need a break. D. Did changes to had plus third form of the verb. Example, the boy said, I did the work all by myself. The boy said that he had done the work all by himself. The girl said, I did not pluck the flower. The girl said that she had not plucked the flower. E. Shall changes to should and would and will changes would. Example, they said, we shall reach there on time. They said that they should reach there on time. The guard said, I will not let you go in. The guard said that he would not let me go in. F. Can changes to could, may changes to might. Example, my friend said to me, I can swim. My friend told me that she could swim. The teacher said to the student, you may go. The teacher told the student that he and she might go. However, there will be no change for was, were, would, should, might, could, used and had to. 6. Change in the expression of time and place in indirect speech. A. This changes to that and these to those. Example, times Rohan said, I want this bat. Rohan said that he wanted that bat. Juhi said, I like these sketch pens. Juhi said that she liked those sketch pens. B. Now changes to then and here changes to there. Example, my friend said to me, you can take the book now. My friend told me that I could take the book then. My mother said, your water bottle is here. My mother said that my water bottle was there. C. Today changes to that day, tomorrow to the next day, and yesterday to the previous day. Example, times he said, I will do the work today. He said that he would do the work that day. My father said, I will go to Mumbai tomorrow. My father said that he would go to Mumbai the next day. Note, generally then is omitted from the indirect speech. Words showing nearness are changed into words showing distance as is shown in point 6. 7. While changing the direct speech into indirect speech, the first letter of reported speech is changed from capital to small letter. If the reporter of the reporting verb is male, I changes to he, me to him, and my to his in the reported speech. Female, I changes to she, me to her, and my to her. Plural subject, we changes to they, are to their, and us to them. While changing the direct speech into the indirect, use these rules strictly. Of the reporting verb, said, is changed into told only when it has an object. If said has no object, there will be no change. Example, Robert said, I do not like fast food. Robert said that he did not like fast food. Ilam said to me, I do not watch television for long hours. Ilam told me that she did not watch television for long hours. B. Reporting speech and reported speech are connected by the conjunction that. Tom says to Pinky, I have done my work. Tom tells Pinky that he has done his work. Note, if the reporting verb is in the present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, or in the future, any tense of future, there will be no change in the verbs of reported speech. Example, Rekha says, I have no spare time. Rekha says that she has no spare time. The teacher will say, the students are showing good result in each subject. The teacher will say that the students are showing good result in each subject. Study these examples. The principal says, there will be extra classes for weak students daily. The principal says that there will be extra classes for weak students daily. Kamal says to the boys, I won't play with you. Kamal tells the boys that he won't play with them. Vikas said to Mohan, my father goes out for a walk daily. Vikas told Mohan that his father goes out for a walk daily. No change in the verb of reported speech due to habitual fact. The teacher said, the earth revolves around the sun. The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. No change because of scientific truth. The saint said to his disciples, those who dig pits for others, fall in them themselves. The saint told his disciples that those who dig pits for others, fall in them themselves. Unchanged because it is a proverb. The wife said to her husband, I hate those persons who drink and smoke. The wife told her husband that she hates those persons who drink and smoke. Unchanged because of a habitual fact. Imperatives. If the sentence in reported speech is an imperative sentence, following rules are applied to. Change it into the indirect speech. 1. Said to in reporting verb is changed into advised, ordered, requested, asked, begged, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. 2. To is used before the verb of reported speech to convert it into infinitive. Examples. The teacher said to the peon, bring a glass of water for me. The teacher asked the peon to bring him a glass of water. The master said to his servant, give me a glass of water. The master ordered his servant to get him a glass of water. She said, Rajan, sit down here. She asked Rajan to sit down there. A girl said to her brother, please, deposit my money in the bank. The sister requested her brother to deposit her money in the bank. The teacher said to the students, don't waste your time in watching television. The teacher advised the students not to waste their time in watching television. The education minister said, books will be distributed free of cost among the poor students. The education minister announced that books free of cost would be distributed among the poor students. Harish said to Sohan, take care. Someone is trying to pick your pocket. Harish warned or whispered to Sohan to take care as someone was trying to pick his pocket. Raman said to his friend, kindly help me solve this sum. Raman requested his friend to help him solve that sum. I said to my friend, don't mix up with bad boys. I advised my friends not to mix up with bad boys. Interrogatives. If the sentence of the reported speech is an interrogative sentence, if or whether is used as a conjunction. However, if the sentence of reported speech begins with WH words such as who, what, where, when, whose, why, whom, how, no conjunction is used. WH question words do the function of conjunction. When we change an interrogative sentence from direct to indirect speech, the interrogative sentence becomes an assertive, simple sentence. Therefore, the question mark is changed into a full stop. Examples. Direct, she said to me, are you doing your work? Indirect, she asked me if I was doing my work. Direct, my mother said to me, are you not going to your school today? Indirect, the mother asked me if I was not going to my school that day. Direct, the little boy said to me, will you give me lift in your car? Indirect, the passenger asked me whether I would give him a lift in my car. Direct, he said to me, do you like outdoor games? Indirect, he asked me if liked outdoor games. Direct, Sudhir says to his father, will you buy a new pair of shoes for me? Indirect, Sudhir asks his father if he will buy a new pair of shoes for him. Direct, my mother said to me, do you like this laptop? Indirect, the mother asked me whether I liked that laptop. Direct, the teacher asked the students, have you written your answers? Indirect, The teacher asked the students if they had written their answers. Direct, the uncle says to his nephew, "What do you want?" Indirect, the uncle asks his nephew what he wants. Direct, Jim said to Harry, "Where do you want to stay in Delhi?" Indirect, Jim asked Harry where he wanted to stay in Delhi. Direct, "Why have you not got your answer sheets checked yet?" the teacher said to us. Indirect, the teacher asked us why we had not got our answer sheets checked yet. Direct, "Where have you kept my umbrella?" My father said to me. Indirect, my father asked me where I had kept his umbrella. Direct, Mr. Heather said to me, "How old are you?" Indirect, Mr. Heather asked me how old I was. How to convert indirect speech into direct speech. 1. Sarita says that she is working hard to stand first in the class. Sarita says, "I am working hard to stand first in the class." 2. The children said that they would not play with us in the rain. The children said, "We will not play with you in the rain." 3. The farmer told me that his cow had died the previous month. The farmer said to me, "My cow died last month." 4. Raman told me that he had not seen me before. Raman said to me, "I have not seen you before." Exclamatory sentences. Exclamation and wishes. When we change an exclamatory sentence from direct to indirect speech. 1. The reporting verb, said to, is changed into prayed, exclaimed, confessed, applauded, wished, or any other suitable verb according to the sense of the reported speech. 2. The exclamatory sentences become assertive sentences and the exclamatory words such as hurrah, oh, ah, wow, etc. are omitted, but the sentiments are expressed through the phrases such as exclaimed with joy, expressed his sorrow, prayed God, etc. 3. The sign of exclamation is omitted. Example: the captain said, "Hurrah! We have won the match." The captain exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. He said, "Alas! The only son of this widow has died." He expressed with sorrow that the only son of that widow had died. "What an incredible building the Akshardham is," said the tourist. The tourist exclaimed with wonder that the Akshardham was an incredible building. The coach said to the players, "Bravo! You have won the gold medal for the country." The coach applauded the players, saying that they had won the gold medal for the country. Reporting conversations. It is to be noted that while talking, people generally do not speak full sentences. Rather, they talk in short sentences. Sometimes they speak either half sentence or simply a word. However, while reporting them, it is obligatory on your part to complete the incomplete sentences in this way. 1. Hari underscore 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 where is Rahul? Prem underscore 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 gone to the stadium to play cricket. Hari underscore 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 does he go to the stadium to play cricket daily? Prem underscore 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 no, only on weekends. Hari asked Prem where Rahul was. Prem informed him that Rahul had gone to the stadium to play cricket. Hari wanted to know whether he went to the stadium to play cricket daily. Prem told him that he went only on weekends. 2. Here is a telephone conversation between Jacob and Hamid. Jacob: "Hello, could I talk to Joseph, please?" Hamid: "May I know who is on the line, please?" Jacob: "I am Jacob from Model Town." Hamid: "I'm sorry. Joseph is not at home at this time. He has gone for his computer class. Any message for him, please?" Jacob: Tell him that I have arranged a pass for him for the hockey match between India and Australia this Saturday. So, he must keep his Saturday free. Later, Hamid reports this conversation to Joseph on his return. This is the method how this conversation will go on in the indirect speech. Hello, Joseph. Jacob from Model Town rang up while you were away to the computer class. I told him that you were not at home at that time and asked him if there was any message for you. He told that he had arranged a pass for you for the hockey match between India and Australia that Saturday. He has asked you to keep your Saturday free for the match.